An increase in the demand for state-of-the-art aircraft capabilities has caused costs to rise for military aircraft, resulting in cancelled projects and production cuts. From Northrop Grumman's B-2 Spirit to Chengdu's J-20 Black Eagle and Air Force One. The 5 most expensive military aircraft ever built. Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit $2.1 BN. The Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit is a US Air Force USAF heavy penetration stealth bomber launched in 1989. The aircraft can infiltrate complex and dense air defense shields, while it is capable of all-altitude attack operations up to 50,000 ft. B-2's original unit cost was $737 million, making it the most expensive aircraft ever built. However, due to retrofitting and adjustments in 1997, its overall cost now stands at $2.1 BN. It costs $135,000 hours to operate. F-22 Raptor $350 million. The F-22 Raptor is considered to be one of the most highly advanced fighter jets. It is built by Lockheed Martin and Boeing for around $350 million per aircraft, $143 million unit cost. The total program cost is around $66 BN. The aircraft was unveiled in 1997, but gained full operational capability by the USAF in 2005. It is fitted with 5th-generation technology and combines supercruise, supermaneuverability, stealth, and sensor fusion in a single weapons platform. It is 62 ft long, 16.7 ft high, and 44.5 ft wide. The aircraft has a weight of 43,340 lb and an MTOW of 83,500 lb. The F-22 has a 2,960 km range and a 62,000 km rate of climb. C-17 Globemaster IE $328 million. The Boeing C-17 Globemaster IE is a military transport aircraft used to carry equipment, personnel and vehicles. It was originally designed for the USAF, but is now used in many air forces across the world, including the US, UK, Australia, Canada, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, UAE, India, and Kuwait. It is also used in the International NATO Heavy Airlift Wing in Hungary. C-17 entered service in January 1995 and is jointly manufactured by McDonnell Douglas and Boeing Defense, Space and Security. Its flyaway cost is around $218 million, but its estimated total cost over the lifetime of the aircraft's program is $328 million to $368 million. Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey $118 million. The Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey is a multi-role combat aircraft featuring a tiltrotor system. It carried out its first flight in March 1989, but crashes during flight testing and unstable funding resulted in several delays until 2007 when the aircraft entered service in the U.S. Marine Corps. The USAF fielded its version of the aircraft, CV-22B, in 2009. And the US Navy plans to use the CMV-22B variant in 2021. Chengdu J-20 Black Eagle $110 million. The Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon is a fifth-generation, single-seat, stealth fighter aircraft made by China's Chengdu Aerospace Corporation. Following its earlier maiden flight in January 2011, it has been deployed in the People's Liberation Army Air Force since March 2017 and is China's first stealth aircraft. J-20s costs around $110 million each, while overall program expenses are estimated to be around $4.4 billion.